It's been a great pleasure to meet all the very open and very engaged workers here at Eltwin. They are able to start giving each other and giving each other feedback and talking about things that they don't usually talk about. We have an exercise that I think is very valuable for the people, where they have to give each other some feedback on how they see each other, what they appreciate about each other, and seeing the energy that this exercise brings and seeing how good the people are at interacting with this exercise and actually giving each other some very valuable feedback is a great pleasure. So we just really look forward to seeing how this will give value down the line to the workers and how they will start using this and implementing this as a framework for being able to talk about the differences and use the differences as strength in everyday life. That's one of the things that we see are one of the big key takeaways from these workshops are that we actually have a common way or language to speak about how we are different and what that does to our way of interacting, connecting, talking with each other, and that has a positive impact.